Hello everyone and welcome to this short episode of introducing generative AI and some of its application in practice. I will show you how to use it in practice, generating some pics like this with these free tools, online tools GenCraft. But before that, firstly, let's introduce what generative AI is. What generative AI is. AI, artificial intelligence, and its applications are becoming very popular these days, and one of its amazing field is generative AI, which is really interesting and had lots of applications in art, in science, and many fields. And the definition is this: generative artificial intelligence, or generative AI, or GenAI, is artificial intelligence capable of generating text, images, or other media using generative models. Okay, so, and many big companies like Nvidia and Google right now is focusing on this. In the field of art, Adobe is a very popular and good company, and in Adobe Photoshop there is a very amazing new feature with generative AI that you can produce these pics like this. You see, this is the first picture. You select an area and just to type something to generate. Then you can see, wow, jaguar drinking from pond, and it is really amazing. Yeah, another bird you can see here. Yeah, it's really amazing that we have these applications through here. Yeah, and we can also see this short episode from Adobe if it loads quickly.
Future looks like wow. Oh wow. It's like wow. Yeah. Future looks like wow. Oh wow. And it starts right now. Yeah. Future looks like wow. Go get, go get, go get, go. Go get, go get, go get, go. Go get, go get, go get, go. It's coming up right now, and it's looking like how? Wow. Wow. The future looks like wow. And it's right now.
Yeah.
It's like wow, we should do, yeah. It's a brand new future. Wow.
Yeah, it was really nice, but it's not free, and we can use some free tools. Today I wanna introduce you GenCraft. It just needs an account. You can easily use your Google account. Here we continue and sign in with Google. I will choose one of my Google accounts, yeah, and then I can work with it. Okay, so you can describe your creation in detail here, and then easily push the generate button. Okay, for example, I wanna create a pic about a kid and some cats in the kitchen. Okay, playing. Then when I put generate, it took some seconds to generate it. Before generation, you can see some interesting photos generated by this online app. But here, very fast, yeah, we can see a kid and some cats in the kitchen playing. It's really nice. And please take care of this note that it has some limitations. For example, in one day, maybe some refresh time and generation it will give to you. So please remember that it's not unlimited, and maybe you should subscribe in this. But it is very good that it is free also for some tests. I have tested many other applications that were not free, and I like this. And for example, we can see cats and dogs in a forest full of colorful flowers. Now we can wait and then see the amazing result. Yeah, but sometimes you can see some results. This is AI, maybe not accurate, but here we can see cats and dogs, cat and dog in a forest full of colorful flowers. And we can say that, for example, animals fighting and playing in a modern place. Yeah, let's see what will happen. Yeah, it's really nice. You can see some animals are fighting together in a modern place. Okay, it was just something, and you can also select a style here. For example, it can be anime or some other styles. You can select from here. For example, it can be cyberpunk. Okay, and you can see the result. Yeah, waiting for some minutes. Then see, yeah, it's like this. You can change the style and it's really funny, and then you can save it or do some other thing, and you can see your pics are here. In the subscribed version or in premium version, you can also generate videos and add your photos. This is also not available in the free version, but it was nice totally. And in the new, please don't forget to share your valuable comments with me. It will make me happy, and I will produce more contents and videos like this for introducing amazing new AI tools for you. I'm very happy to see you again. Thanks for your time, and see you. Bye.